Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Old Navy haul, and then I also have 3 items from Walmart that I thought I would go ahead and throw in here for you guys. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Are you a baby? Are you a baby? Yes, you're a baby. Alright, so let me just go ahead and show you the Walmart stuff real quick, just since I have 3 items, so I can go ahead and get it out of the way. So, 2 of the items I believe was on clearance. Maybe not. Maybe only one of them. I'm not sure the prices of them because I took the tags off of 2 of the items, but I believe this was only like $5, and I wanted to get it really big and like baggy so that way I could wear it with like leggings and it would like cover my booty, so that way I could wear it to work, because we can wear leggings, it just has to, the shirt has to cover your booty. So I wanted to get it big, so I ended up getting a large, and it's super duper big and flowy. And I got this top. It's meant to be tight. This was not on clearance, it was full price, but I believe that it was like $5 around there. But these are meant to be tight, but I wanted to get something a little bit bigger so that way I could kind of like half tuck it in and it was like kind of loose fitting. I don't like super duper tight clothing, and so I ended up getting an extra large in this. I need to try it on and see if it's actually gonna look good with, like kind of actually look like what I had pictured in my head. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't think it's gonna look that way. I thought it would be really cute with like a pair of mom jeans, like big and baggy and kind of like half tucked in, but now I'm thinking it's not gonna look as cute because I think I got it too big, but I wanted it to be baggy. I don't know, maybe I can cut it, make it to a crop top, it'd be super duper cute. I don't know, we'll see, but I think it was around the $5 area. If it doesn't look good, I can just wear it with like to sleep in, whatever, or I can wear it with like a sweater and put a necklace and it'd be kind of like a dress with leggings. I don't know, we'll see. Then this was actually $15, but I thought it was just so stinking cute, and I've been looking for like a kind of like a denim-y type top like this, or not a denim top like this, but just a top like this. But then whenever I saw the denim, I'm like, this would be really cute with like white jeans, and I have like a bunch of colored jeans that I wear to work. So I thought that would be really cute, because we do have to do like business casual, and so I thought this would look really cute with a pair of like wedges and like my red like business pants, and I have like a white pair and a black pair. So I thought that this shirt would just look really really cute with, you know, that business casual and a pair of wedges. It just has that little tie detail. It's super cute. I got a large. I haven't tried it on, but I know for me, I feel like, which I don't know what that brand is. I know like the Faded Glory brand always ran a little bit small, and so I was like, okay, yeah, with the Walmart brand, maybe I should size up. But now that I'm looking at it, it may be a little bit bigger. I don't know though. I have some massive boobs, and that apparently just grew overnight because I've never had these big of boobs. I literally had to buy a bra the other day. It's double D and it's still too small. So that's fun. Yeah, paid $70 for a bra and it's still too small from Victoria's Secret, which is insane. I've never spent that much money, but my boobs have literally gotten so big that it's like insane. They just hurt all the time, and it's just, oh, it's a whole entire thing. It's a whole thing. People were like, oh yeah, big boobs are amazing. No, if you have big boobs, you know they ain't amazing. It is a struggle every single day. So the very first thing up is this t-shirt right here. This is actually a men's t-shirt, and it's like a normal t-shirt, but I cut it to make it like a cute little crop top. So yeah, I cut it. It's definitely off. Probably, I literally just cut it like 2 seconds ago, and it's definitely off. This side's just a little bit longer, but it actually works because if you guys look, it's like that type of material that kind of like comes up just a little bit, like just a hair, because it's that really like really good material to like cut if you're wanting some like a crop top type thing like that. And I actually had 2 more that I also cut. Super duper cute. I think they're in this pile. Super cute, love it. And these were actually, I think, $7, actually less than $7, maybe $5 for this top. Really cute. It has like it says something on the back. I'll take a picture of it and insert it. Super duper cute, love it. Has this little mini pocket, you know, for $7. So stinking cute. And this will look really really cute with like a pair of mom shorts or mom jeans or just like high-waisted jeans. That'll be really really cute. Really cute. Okay, so this was actually on clearance. It is a really cute like olive denim dress, like the denim type material. And it was on clearance for $9.49. That is a good stinking deal. They only had one. This is the only one that I saw, and it was in a size large, and I think it'll be so stinking cute with a belt. Like I have like the fake Gucci belt, thought it would look really cute with that. Maybe like a pair of wedges, or I have like really cute like sandals with a little heel that are actually like this olive color. Be really cute. I'm obsessed with it. And for $9, you can't beat that. Love it. Also, I got a size medium in the t-shirts, just to let you guys know, which is this normal size that I always get in t-shirts. Love the medium size, especially for these boobs. So next up is the Old Navy American Tradition shirt. Just, you know, the normal American flag, 4th of July, Old Navy shirt. As you can see, I made it into a crop top. This one I actually did a pretty good job cutting it. This side again, maybe just a little bit longer, but you can't really tell with this one, so it's pretty good. Also, I bought Brandon this one in gray, and then I also bought Brandon this top as well. But I'm way too lazy to get into his closet and get the shirts I bought him. But I bought him this gray one, I bought him a couple other ones, and then I also bought him this color too, because I really like this color. And this is the other one that I got. Again, cut it, made it a crop top. This one's definitely off, but whenever I put it on, you couldn't really tell. So I'm here for it. I'm here for it. And again, like I said, it's that material that kind of like rubs up a little bit, if that makes sense. So it's super duper cute. On the back, it says something about Laguna Beach. Really cute, just a really cute t-shirt, and they're super duper soft. So for the price, you could definitely buy them to sleep in or whatever. These are so soft. Again, these are like regularly $14, I think, but they had like a 50% off sale, so they're like $7. And then the American flag one, you know, the normal 4th of July one, are $5. And these are so soft. I honestly think I'm gonna go back and buy more, literally just to sleep in. And honestly, like with white t-shirts, I like white t-shirts underneath of like hoodies and stuff, and I feel like white t-shirts get so gross so fast. I may just buy multiple ones for $5 and literally just wear them under hoodies. And every single time they get gross, I throw it away. For $5? That's an amazing deal. Amazing deal. Okay, and then this was on clearance for $3.49. Just a basic white tank. Thought it was so stinking cute. I got a large in this one. And then this one, I don't think I paid full price for this one, but maybe. I know this was on clearance, but it says $12. Or not on clearance, but I know this was on sale at some point, because I know I would not pay $12 for a tank top, because your girl's cheap. I probably honestly paid like $6 for it. I would probably pay $6 for this. But it's just a cute little tank top. Thought it'd be cute with like a pair of jeans or whatever. Okay, and then I have 3 pairs of shorts. I've never ever bought Old Navy shorts until they had them on sale for $15, which is insane because they're regularly $29.99. And so I bought 3 of them. They're so stinking cute and they fit so nicely. These are the high-waisted ones. They're so stinking cute. I'll go ahead and show you guys. I got a size 12 in them. Yep, your girl's gained weight. Okay, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I had a problem with it. It's fine. But yeah, I got a size 12. Whatever. It is what it is. I need some new jeans or shorts. All right. Sorry guys, my battery overheated, and then I went searching for my backup batteries, and one of them was dead, and then the other one has apparently went missing, and I can't find it anywhere, and I searched everywhere for it. So after I finish this, I have to go searching for it because I don't know what could happen to it. I literally had all 3 with me before I started this video, and now it's not here. I don't know what could happen to it. I have no idea. All right, anyway, back to the video. These are the next pair that I got. Again, super duper cute. Love them. They're high-waisted. They're like the boyfriend style shorts, high-waisted, really comfortable. Absolutely love them. And then the next one is this color, the light wash. Really like them. Let me look. Okay, good. I'm so glad that these do not come undone. Neither do this. The American Eagle ones do, and it irritates the crap out of me when they come undone. So glad that these don't come undone. They're super duper comfortable. Really like them. And they have really good length on them too. Because I am 5'10", and so I'm heckin' tall, and it's really hard to find shorts that are not all booty shorts every single time. So really cute. Really love them. Highly recommend checking out the Old Navy shorts. Ooh, I think that they're on sale right now. Hopefully they're still on sale whenever you guys, because I thought I saw that they were on sale for like $8 or something like that. I don't know, I could be crazy. But hopefully they're still on sale whenever you guys see this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also hit the bell for notifications so that way you get notified when I post. Yeah, because it's always sporadically and never on a consistent basis. I'm trying to get better at it. Fingers crossed I do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you on that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.